Meet Sam and Mia, two curious friends in their bright classroom, ready to explore the magic of building words with sounds. Look at the big board. It is filled with colorful letters. Today, we are going to learn how these sounds join together. Sam points to the letter S. Can you make the sound with him? S. Like a friendly snake sliding through the grass. Now Mia points to the letter A. Let us say it together. A. Like the sound of a happy apple crunching. And here is the letter T. T. It sounds like a tiny ticking clock. Can you tap your finger to the beat? Now watch closely as Sam moves the letters together. S-A-T. When we blend them, they become the word sat. That was amazing. The sounds dance together to make a brand new word. You are doing such a great job. Now it is your turn to practice. Look at the board and try to say the sounds as Mia points to them. S, A, T. Great work. You are becoming a word-building expert just like Sam and Mia in our classroom. Other students are joining in too, practicing their sounds and cheering for each other as they discover new words. Learning is so much fun when we share it. Keep practicing your sounds every day to unlock the world of reading. Thanks for joining us today. Keep listening for sounds all around you, and we will see you for our next adventure.